So, just going to take a little video of some of the birds we have. There's the white leghorn. That looks like a little rooster. Sure does. Just got to figure out its breed. It almost looks Rhode Island red, but still a little young to tell. Well, guinea. Hey, anyone ever interested in having chickens or birds of any kind and want something really cool and exotic? Do not get guineas. Just don't. Ask someone who has them, go see them, see what they do. Then you won't want them either. I do have one oddity though, I'm trying to figure out. There's a little black one. The smoky girl is very pretty. I do have one odd one I'm trying to figure out. I don't see her right now. That's a speckled Sussex right there. Eating. That's a speckled Sussex. They come on over by me. They think I have treats. I have no treats. Ooh, sorry. There's a spider web and a half I just walked through. There's a partridge coaching. There's that little rooster guy again. More guineas, because, you know, whatever, guineas. Trying to find that odd little one. I don't know where she is. Thing is, she looks, from a distance you think, oh, there she is right there. She looks like a silver lace Wyandotte. Except that she has a straight comb. Wyandottes have rose combs. What the heck is that thing? She's pretty. Obviously a brown layer, but don't know. Couldn't tell you. Well, there's the big rooster. Get him out. There he is. He's actually pretty big. I guess that breed gets big by itself, so adolescent size, he's pretty large. And by adolescent, the hens have just started laying a few weeks ago on a fairly consistent basis. Still only getting about max of 4 or 5 chicken eggs, but they're moving along. They're healthy. They can get out of the fence pretty easy, as you can see over there in the neighbor's driveway. Well, that's how it goes, right? All right. You getting puffy? What's the matter with you? Yeah, that's what I thought. Chicken. Sorry.